Welcome Graphic Extras. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use one of the blending modes that comes with gradients. Well, they also come with actually other options in Photoshop, but I'm just going to go over to the Photoshop now. I'm using CC, basic approach for CS6, etc. and gradient tool. First thing though to do before that is actually create a layer. So new layer, and I'm going to add the gradient to a new layer. The gradient I'm going to be using is actually one of these gradients. It's from the special effects, and if you go over to the right side, there's a selection there, and I'm using one from here, special effects, and it's this one. It's got some transparency, and that's the key thing. So I'm just going to apply it now to this new layer. Just going to apply, and you'll see actually if you just pop over to the layers, you can actually see the transparency there. Obviously you can't really see it there because there's nothing behind it, but key thing is behind. If you go to down there, third one down, behind, and if you apply that now, the transparency, you actually see, if I just apply it there, you can actually see it's actually applied behind. Simple as that. Amazingly, it's called behind, so it's actually applied behind. You of course could do the same thing by just going to the background and just applying it behind. That would be simpler of course, but it's actually applied to the actual layer, so it actually adds more pixels to the actual layer. Instead of, if you just applied it obviously behind, the pixels wouldn't actually be there, it would actually sort of just be there for that one, and it would be there. Now it's just on that single layer, and I can do of course more. I just add some more. They're all just again behind each other, so that one there, and that's behind that, and now just apply another one, and that's behind all those. It's right at the bottom of the heap. Okay, now I can go up to the next one, up to normal, and I can apply it of course again, and that's above, then behind, and again that's behind all of the other items. So just obviously you can do that. Now of course if you actually want to use something that doesn't have actual transparency, you can actually just go, I'm just going to go over to one of the other ones, and I'm just going to select that, and now with the behind I can actually just apply that, and there, everything, all the various empty pixels are actually filled now with the gradient. So it's a quick and quite interesting blend mode called behind. Now with some of the other options there's actually a behind and clear. Now I can't really understand why there isn't actually a mode clear here as well. It would have been quite nice, but because you could actually apply that and you could clear. Anyway, maybe that's not possible, but anyway, hope you found this quick tutorial of interest, and that you'll subscribe to the Graphic Extras channel, adding new ones all the time, and obviously visit the Graphic Extras website where there's 32,000 gradients available on that. Anyway, thank you very much.